Welcome to this video. In this video I would like to show and explain to you an important trick that you can use to search easily any value in a maintenance view. So basically here we are already in the transaction SM30. This is a transaction that you can use to maintain a table which offers a maintenance view. So if we go in here, for example, display maintain, then you have here the maintenance view. And especially everywhere in the SAP system, you not have to directly call the SM30 to open up the maintenance view. There you can, with a transaction code over the SM30, going into the maintenance view. So for example, the OAC2 to define the archive link document types, we're having the maintenance view, or in the OAC3 for the links for the content repositories between the object type and the archive link document type, and a lot more. And especially in here, if you would like to search for this, then probably most likely you have a position button, and here you can enter the name. But what if you, for example, would like to search in other columns like the description or in the quick info? Therefore, you have to go to selections by contents, and then here you have to define. So for example, let's do a description. And then here you have to define the information, and with CS contains strings, you can, for example, enter follow, then you can choose, and then here you will see the result of your search for follow, then here champ, follow, unfollow, and unfollow, and then you have it. And then sometimes you have to once again switch to the edit mode, and then your search is gone. If you would like to easier search within the maintenance view, then you can use a trick to print this list up front, and then you can use Control F as you are familiar with. So you can call print with table view and then print, or you can use the key combination Control and P, and this is what we're going to do. So Control P, then here we have some kind of ALB grid control, and now you can use Control F, and here you can enter, for example, your follow, and then not just one column will be searched. Here you have multiple ones, so then you can double click on this one, and then you have marked this. Here, this is a trick to search easily, and if you then have found what you want to, you can go back, and then you can go to position, and then here you have it, and then you can make your changes, or you can once again go to selection by contents, search based on this ID on the value that you would like to find. So yeah, this is an important trick to save your time and to easier search within the maintenance view. If you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel to not miss great upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.